Why do 98% of health enthusiasts believe in the power of self-healing? Because our bodies are amazing. Did you know your body replaces 98% of its atoms within a year? That means the liver you have today is only 6 weeks old and your skin brand new every month. Imagine in less than a year, you're working with a completely renewed body, down to the last atom. What you see in the mirror is your 2024 model, last year's body, ancient history. This means you've got the power to reprogram yourself for better health, starting now. Your breath is the hardware and your thoughts, feelings and emotions are the software. And guess what? You're the programmer. By consciously choosing positive thoughts and emotions, you can influence your body's chemistry and create a healthier, happier you. At the Conscious Living Institute, we provide transformative programs to help you live intentionally and intuitively. Reprogram your life, one intentional breath at a time, ready to unlock your potential. The future you is waiting.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.